Reporting on snake plant, Sansevieria/Dracana trifasciata. Good morning, everyone. Today I am going to present a short report on the snake plant. The snake plant is a popular indoor plant known for its long, upright, sword-shaped leaves. Its leaves are usually green with light green or yellow patterns, which look very attractive. Because of its shape, it is called a snake plant. The snake plant is very easy to grow and care for. It can survive in low light as well as bright light and does not need frequent watering. Overwatering can harm the plant, so it is best to water it only when the soil is completely dry. One of the best qualities of the snake plant is that it helps clean the air. It absorbs harmful toxins and releases oxygen, even at night. That is why it is often kept in bedrooms, offices, and homes. The snake plant is also very strong and long-lasting. It does not need much attention and can grow well in pots. Because of these qualities, it is an excellent plant for beginners. In conclusion, the snake plant is a beautiful, healthy and low-maintenance plant that improves indoor air quality and adds greenery to our surroundings. Thank you.